How to use Filezilla to connect an FTP server. I am going to show you how you can easily use Filezilla to connect to an FTP server. If you haven't already, download and install the Filezilla from the official website. Once Filezilla is installed, open the application. At the top of the Filezilla window, you will see fields for host, username, password, and port. Enter the FTP server's hostname in the host field. Enter your FTP username in the username field. Enter your FTP password in the password field. If the FTP server uses a non-standard port, you can enter it in the port field, otherwise leave it blank. Filezilla will attempt to determine the connection type automatically. However, if you encounter connection issues, you can manually specify the connection type under the Transfer Settings tab. FTP is the default connection type. If your server supports it, you can use FTPS or SFTP for secure connections. After entering your FTP credentials, click on the Quick Connect button. Filezilla will attempt to connect to the FTP server using the provided credentials. If the connection is successful, you will see a message in the status area at the top of the window, indicating that you are connected. Once connected, you will see the files and folders on the FTP server displayed in the right-hand pane of the Filezilla window. You can navigate through directories by double-clicking on folders. Your local files are displayed on the left-hand side of the window. That is it. You are now connected to the FTP server using Filezilla, and you can transfer files best between your local machines and the server by dragging and dropping files between the Filezilla window panes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.